This conference will now be recorded.
Now, for those who don't know me or they are for the first time, right? A very quick introduction who I am, what I am, right? So, very good morning to everyone. My name is Rupam Chakravarti, right? Very quick recap. I'm a certified trainer, right? I'll not spend much time here. I'm a 9.8 GPA A++ trainer, right? I hold 1800 official hours of training. That includes taken training that I have taken for HCL, I've taken training for Accenture, I've taken training for Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, Mumbai and Pune, right? I'm not only working as a trainer, but I'm also working as a senior Salesforce integration architect. So I'm a solution architect for lightning and integration. I'm working for a very big multinational company, right? I'm not a dummy trainer, right? Every trainer tells that, but those who are already in my class, they knows, right, whether I'm working or not. But for others, you can definitely keep a trust that yes, I'm a working trainer, right? So that's a quick introduction about me. I think that we have already discussed this in the demo class, so we need not to go through about my introduction, right? So once again, my name is Rupam Chakravarti. Those who don't know my name is correct, my spelling is correct, right? Now, before we proceed forward, there are a couple of thumb rules that you need to follow. Number one, as you know, the class, we have a lockdown announced by the government, right? Worldwide, we have this pandemic of novel coronavirus going on, COVID-19, right? We are unfortunately that we are not able to meet in the classroom. Ideally, realistically, this is a classroom session. 8:30 a.m. in the institute, this should have been a classroom session. But unfortunately, due to this unavoidable circumstances, we are continuing this with online session. But however, whenever the classroom resumes within this stipulated course period, if the classroom resume, then there will be two modes, classroom as well as online at the same time, right? Now, as we all are meeting online, there are a couple of rules that you need to follow. Number one, please make sure that your complete internet bandwidth is available to the classroom. If you're at home, you're in hostel, you're in workplace, right? Workplace, it's well and fine. But if you're in home, please make sure that your complete internet is available to your classroom. Avoid your friends, family members to log in to the wireless adapter at this moment. For the next 1.5 hours, please tell them not to use any type of online streaming, any type of downloads, uploads, any type of video playing YouTube or WhatsApp videos. Please avoid those. Reason? The reason being is that I want the classroom to go smooth. I don't want anyone to complain stating that, sir, I'm not able to hear, I'm able to hear, but your voice and screen is not matching, right? I have 100%, right, best internet connection. I have 100 Mbps line, right? So hence I have a dual 100 Mbps line. So from my side, you will not have any problem. So you need to make sure that from your side also, you don't have a problem. That's the first thumb rule. Second, the screen is still showing, by the way, the screen is still showing my name. Those who are for the first time, they can start reading my profile in between, right? Second thumb rule, right? If you have any questions, doubt, do not hesitate to ask. Do not hesitate to ask. I'm not a trainer who get angry with the doubts, right? People who are already with me in my development classes, they all know me very well, right? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Remember that you are not here for what I'm teaching, you're here for what you're learning, right? So please let your neighbor go to hell, right? If you are not able to understand, don't think about others. Others might be intelligent, very intelligent. Let them keep quiet. Sir, I have a doubt. Can you please explain? This is the strategy you have to follow, right? Now, with this, let's start going. Before we go further, right, before we start the original class today, let us once again review what we discussed in the demo class so that we have a complete clarity what this course is about. What this course is about. As everyone knows, or in the demo class, I have repeated, Salesforce development is divided into two pieces. The first piece is called UI development. The second piece is called as logic development, which is your Apex, where you learn your OOPS concept, right? You learn Apex, SOQL, classes, triggers, getters, setters, page reference, controller, extensions, future, at the rate, future, right? Your asynchronous, synchronous, queuable, schedule Apex, batch Apex, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, right? All integration, SOAP, REST, everything comes under Apex. Your whole development is divided into two. Your whole Salesforce development is divided into two pieces. Salesforce development, which is called as logic development, and another piece is called as UI development, right? Logic development, you are learning in the regular course. During your regular course, right? You start with your consulting, then you go to admin, and then you come to the development. So this course doesn't cover your Salesforce development, which is the apex, the bottom, the last black, right? This piece is not covered. This is part of your regular course, right? What we cover this, right? Whole UI development is again divided into three pieces called as Visual Force Framework, Lightning Framework, which is also called as Aura Framework, and last one is called as LWC, Open Source Framework. Your complete UI, user interface. User interface is nothing but screen through which you interact Salesforce, right? Whenever you log into Salesforce, you see the Salesforce, right? You see accounts, contacts, leads, right? You click on App Manager, you see Sales Module, Service Clouds, right? You see Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, right? All those are called UI. There are three UI developments available, which is called SFDC Classic, which is on Visual Force Framework. It is SFDC Lightning, which is on Aura Framework. SFDC LWC, which is an open source framework, right? SFDC Classic is a part of your regular course. It's a part of your development. Apex and Visual Force is a part of your regular course, regular development. The people who are already have done the development courses, right? Or those who are already going on in the development courses, they are learning the Visual Force as well as Apex. This course is an advanced course. This course, whatever you are learning, is an advanced course, right? This course is an advanced course. 830 batch Lightning Development course is an advanced course. This course consists of two things. Lightning Development with Aura Framework, one piece. The other piece is called Lightning Web Component, LWC, which is an open source DOM and JavaScript based programming. There are this course, whatever I have covered in red line, this will be the part of this course. However, right now there's a lot of confusion, right? I have heard that people are confused whether in the Lightning development, is it LWC included? Answer is no. If you are choosing a Lightning course, Lightning development, then you are eligible only for Lightning development. If you're choosing Lightning development plus LWC, right? After this is completely two classes, two individual classes, right? Two individual topic, two individual subject, two different technologies. They are not same. LWC is a complete different technology, right? Whereas Lightning is a complete different technology. In Lightning, it will be on completely on Aura framework. I will teaching you Aura, Aura technology, Aura framework. Whereas LWC is a different course. Both comes under Lightning development only, but the course is divided into two pieces. This is a why two pieces? Because both are different technology, right? In Visual Force, if you go to the regular course, your Monday to Friday, right, regular classes, we use what? Apex page block, Apex page block section, Apex page block section item, Apex form, Apex command button, right? Apex input field, output field. All these are your Visual Force. It's a different technology, different programming, different technology. Lightning development is on Aura. It's a different technology. LWC, it's not using Aura. No Aura at all. Not a single drop of Aura. It's a different technology. Hence, these two, even though we call them as a lightning development, but lightning development is one course, LWC is another course. Right? Anybody has any questions on these? I just want you to be very crystal clear that what you're learning, I don't want anybody to continue with the confusion, right? We will, right? Before we go further, I just want to have a complete clarity here, right? Lightning development, right? Complete total lightning development is divided into two pieces, Aura and LWC. Lightning development is Aura, whereas LWC, Lightning Web Component, is on open source framework, which is Java and DOM framework. Java and DOM framework, whereas Lightning development is on Aura framework, right? So we will start with Lightning development. Whole 1 month, we will continue with Lightning development. Monday to Friday, 8:30, right? 8:30 to 10, 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time to 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. We would be continuing with Lightning development. That's Aura framework, one first course. Thereafter, you can opt for LWC, or at this time of joining itself, you can opt them as a package, both. So you need to talk to your admin and you need to clearly tell them whether you want a lightning course or you want both. I want both. I want a bundle. I want a package, complete lightning package. Anybody has any questions here? Any questions?
So Rupam, this is Mandar here. I have
Yes.
a question on
Correct.
these two modules, right? So is there any dependency that LWC cannot be understood unless I have the Aura
Correct.
concepts?
Yes, there is a dependency. Unless and until you understand the lightning development, you would not be able to join LWC directly. People who are thinking that I'm okay, let me join the LWC directly, your answer is no. All your base, right? Your base technology, your basics, your construct, your structure, your architecture all remain in lightning development. Only thing that change is the programming. Only thing that will change would be your framework. Here we'll be using Aura framework, but your structures of your component remain same, right? All your architecture remains same. On that architecture, little bit we will bend the structure, not completely we will change the structure, right? And that is called LWC. For LWC, you need to have a basic lightning classes. You need to have a lightning class knowledge. Next question.
Rupam,
Next question. Yes.
yeah, in industry, which one we are using, Aura technology or LWC
At this moment,
in
both.
real time?
In real-time environment, currently company is using both. LWC is in a development phase. That means there are a lot of features are yet to come. LWC just started recently, a year back. Just a 1 year back, Salesforce launched it. I request to please go on mute. Right. Once you ask it out, I request to go on mute. Right. Because so that the class will be clear. Thank you. Right. So industry. Now, it's a very good question somebody has raised. Why I should learn Lightning? First thing. Then the second question, question B. Between Lightning, Aura, and open source, which one I should? Let's start. Your Salesforce Classic. First, let me go to the history of Salesforce Classic. Salesforce Classic is a 2007 to 10 technology. It was 2010 technology. In the year of 2010, right, Salesforce came up with a technology called as Visualforce. This technology is completely old now. It's 10 years. You're in 2020, right? If you go to the Classic, those who are already doing the development course, the regular course, they knows the difference between Classic and, right? You might be moving between a Classic and Lightning. The look, feel, efficiency is not there in Classic, right? Rupam, what are the differences? We will see the difference as we go inside the course. What is the difference between Visualforce framework and Aura framework, right? We will talk about it as we go inside the course. There is a, right, land versus sky difference. Sky is your Lightning. Land is your Visualforce. That's the difference. Now you can imagine, right, what would be the future. Companies which have already implemented the project 5 years back, 6 years back, they are using Visualforce. Company who have just, right, wherever the new projects are coming up, all the new projects are coming up in Lightning as well as LWC. Coexistence, mix of both, right? This is called coexistence environment. Lightning is a coexistence environment of Aura and LWC. At this moment, as of today, right, for the next couple of years, Lightning would be a coexistence environment. That means both technology can be survived in a single environment. Aura technology and LWC technology, both are clubbed together, right? Today, real time, all the new projects are 100% on Lightning. 100%. No new projects are on Visualforce. Let me repeat it. No new projects are on Visualforce. If after doing this course, if you join a company, if you are in an old project, then you might be working with a Visualforce technology. But if you have a new development project coming up or a migration project from Classic to Lightning, there are many companies who are coming up with a migration project, right? We have Lightning. Lightning is your future. My classroom will give you 1 to 1.5 year or 2 years experience on Lightning. I will give you the real-time cases, real-time solutions. Whatever is happening in the real time, I will provide you. You can be with me, master of Lightning, as well as, right, experts in LWC. Those who are thinking, those who are not working and want to change the career, you can put 1.5 years development experience in Lightning. Believe me guys, in market, there is no one in market in the real time. There is no much people. There is no much people, or there are no many people who knows about this technology. You would be easily able to scale through the interview. You can be even, right? It will be very easy for you to get the job if you put 1.5 year of Lightning development experience in the project rather than development project, admin project, support project, right? Put Lightning development project, Aura, or with LWC, Aura and LWC, both 1.5 year. Nobody much knows about this. I will give you the interview questions after this. You will get a soft copy of the material. No hard copy, please. Right? This course will not give you a hard copy of a printed book. You will get a soft copy of the course material written by me. Plus, you will get interview questions. I will give you 100 to 120 interview questions, complete end-to-end interview questions. Whatever the sky is, complete sky I will put in, right, 50-60 pages, and I'll give you the interview questions, right? So the future is
Sir,
lightning. Yes, tell me.
sir, will you give migration assistance like how to migrate from classic to lightning?
Definitely yes, not assistance is a part of your course coverage. I will add those as a part of your course syllabus. These are additional topic that you're asking, but definitely I will show you and we will work on it, how the migration happens. Okay, any questions? Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions? Yes,
Rupam, one question,
tell me.
not typically
Yes,
on the syllabus and all, but on the industry, right? You said lightning is the future, right? So what about the
yes.
customers, like who are there still on the classic, right? Will they
The
be
classic
forced to
will
migrate on
still
lightning?
continue. No, Salesforce is not forcing. Classic will still continue, right? Salesforce has no plan as of today to decommission the classic. So classic will still continue, right? The support of classic will still continue. Salesforce, it's not completely closing the Visual Force framework. Visual Force framework will still continue, right? It is for the industry which are already on the Visual Force, because Salesforce has a very strong customer base, right? There are a lot of clients on the projects. There are a huge number of projects on Classic. Classic will still continue. It will not get decommissioned. So hence, it is important for all the Salesforce developer to know Visual Force, right? As well as Lightning. It is the client choice. The new projects are on Lightning coming up. That's the only difference. Existing projects are on Classic. Any questions before we proceed forward? Everyone clear? Anybody has any doubts still in your brain, mind, whether I should join or not? Guys, you should join. You should and must join. I will, as a humble, faithful trainer, it is my suggestion. I am definitely not here to guide you in a wrong path. As a trainer, my work is to show you right path. There are few people in life whom you should trust. Doctors, lawyers, teachers. You shouldn't lie to them. You should always trust them. If you don't have a trust on a doctors, lawyers, and teachers, in that case, you will not be able to proceed forward. Same thing, right? It's not just because of a money I'm telling you to join this course or something, right? No, you all know that everything is lightning. Those who have already attended the interviews, they might be knowing that the first question, whenever you submit your resume, they will ask one question. Do you have any lightning exposure? Have you worked on lightning, or do you have a lightning knowledge? If not, many of the interviewers, big companies are sending candidates back and saying that take 3 months, learn lightning, and then come, right? I've heard this, and that is the reason that I'm telling you that it is an important course that you're joining, right? Any questions? Your silence will be no, right?
Rupam, any certification is there for lightning and lightning app components?
Right. Currently, there is no certification for LWC. Currently, Lightning has an advanced certification. In the 531 paper, Lightning has been included as a certification. Answer is yes, but not on the basic paper. Your Lightning certification advanced paper cost $400 plus taxes. $400 plus taxes. In India, your Lightning certification is cost equivalent to 30,000 rupees in INR, right? Uh, Anybody from the institute? I see that there's a lot of ping happening, right? People are sharing the, anybody from Capital Info Institute admin?
Yeah, myself,
Yes, sir.
Ramesh here.
Oh, Ramesh sir, 1 minute. I'll make you the organizer, because I see that there's a lot of ping happening, right?
Oh,
Just
okay.
1 minute, okay? Sorry. Okay, okay. I'll just ping you all those chat logs. People are sharing the email address, and okay. There we
Yeah,
go.
anyway, the
Yeah,
disturbance happened for me. Yeah, I'm repeating like, see, please make sure once you join for the class, give me your mail IDs every day. Once you join the class, immediately just ping me in the organizers chart your name and your mail ID, so that we'll share that the recording videos. Once you paid, or if you're not paid also, these 3 days you can attend the classes. But join the class, just ping in the organizers chart or Capital Info Solutions Ramesh, you can see in that chart box. Just leave your name along with your mail ID, so that who are joining and who are leaving, we have to know that one. It's like it's like attendance. Okay, that's the thing. Yeah, and you can go ahead, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, I was thinking that people were not able to see the chat because mostly, all the chats, sometime will get disabled automatically. Okay, thank you guys. Any questions, right? Please contact admin, the course admin, right? Capital Info Solution for any type of course details, right? Please make sure that you have your updated phone number as well as email address with them, because they are the people who will be sending the videos. Please do not ask me the videos again. For any course fee, course timing, course videos, course content, please contact admin. When I say admin, I'm talking about the course admin, which is the institute, Capital Info Solution. Anything with subject, knowledge, technology, please do not contact admin, contact me directly. I am the right person to address, right? So everybody clear with the division? Where to go for what? Okay. Anybody has any questions, guys? Anybody has any question? Before I proceed, all clear? Yes. You can unmute your mic and you can say yes, definitely.
Yeah, you can proceed.
Right? Others, all the new guys, those who joined, those who joined for the first time, right? You missed the introduction, demo class. So if you have any questions, 5 to
Rupam,
6
I
more
have one
people,
question, Rupam.
please go ahead.
Yeah, for this certification, can you provide any dumps or any material for this one?
We will provide a
Lightning.
course material, right? However, providing dumps, right? You can search in Google. Just don't want to fool you here and there, right? You can, but rather than believing on drums, right? Dumps and everything, please follow the course material. I will give you the questions, right? You will have a lot of questions in that course material and you can follow those. For more dumps and everything, right? You have to search by yourself. I can provide you some dumps, but not a complete dump. So don't expect that I will give you 100% dumps. Okay, for your certification exam, we will help you, and the institute is there to help you. So don't worry about it. In case if you're looking for a certification assistance, please contact the institute. They will help you, right, with the certification assistance. Okay,
Okay, thank you, Rupam. Thank you, Rupam.
right. Welcome. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's start the class, right? Before
Sure.
we start the class, yes, tell me.
What is the difference between Lightning and LWC?
Right, lightning is on Aura framework. The technology is different. It's a third party technology called Aura framework. Lightning development is an Aura framework, but whereas LWC is on an open source framework. No proprietary. Now today, right, let's say that today everybody is using WhatsApp. Yes. Is it a
Yes.
free? Yes, it's free. Do you know that in 2022 WhatsApp will be free or not? How many of you are sure? In the year of 2022, another 2 years from now, right? Do you think WhatsApp would be free? Anybody can give you a guarantee and assurance? No, we don't know. As of today, WhatsApp and Facebook is a free source. Anybody can communicate using WhatsApp. But there could be a time coming up in another 2 years when WhatsApp will become very famous, too famous, 3 much famous, 100 much famous, right? That time WhatsApp might charge saying that 1 rupee per year, 30 rupees per year. People will start paying 30 rupees. That doesn't make a difference. Proprietary. Today, Aura framework is an open source framework, free framework. But this is not a Salesforce technology. Aura is a third party technology. Salesforce is using Aura framework in Lightning development. Today, Aura is free, but tomorrow, nobody knows whether Aura will start charging or not. In today, you develop something on Aura, and tomorrow, if somebody started charging or the Aura start charging license fee, in that case, what should happen to the client? What should happen to the project? By thinking that, by looking at the future, Salesforce came up with a new technology called as LWC, Lightning Web Component. It's an open source framework, Java and HTML DOM, completely free, right? Not chargeable, completely free, not chargeable, completely free, not chargeable, right? Completely free, not chargeable, right? This framework, that is the whole difference. Complete technology is changing. Whole technology is changing, right? Different technology, two different classes, right? The everything, the programming will change, programming language will change, structure will change, right? Programming style will change. It's completely two different things, right? Something you're learning at .NET and you're learning C#. It'll be that change. Clear, everyone? Right? I still have questions coming up. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Right? That's good. Now, let's proceed forward, right? Okay, let's start with the Salesforce. Okay, let me move Salesforce. Okay, let me end the presentation here. Okay, now let's start Salesforce. Everybody should have a pen and book to write the notes. I would be dictating notes, and it is your duty to take the notes. Somebody might ask me, sir, what is the difference between notes and the material? What is the difference between a textbook and a classroom notes? The same difference applies here. Material will have a elaborated, explained, right? Elaborated, explained topics. Whereas classroom notes will be short, one line, crispy, right? One line definitions, short notes, which you can immediately refer for an interview purposes, for remembering. So that is the difference between a classroom notes versus soft copy material that we'll be giving. Material will be bigger in size, right? Here, I'll be giving you short one-line definitions. That is the difference between notes and classroom material. Please start taking the notes as I dictate, right? Now, put a heading called as Salesforce Lightning. Put a heading called as Salesforce Lightning, right? Put a heading called as Salesforce Lightning, right? Salesforce Lightning. First, write down the definition. If somebody asks you, what is a Salesforce Lightning? Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. Salesforce Lightning is a collection of tools and technologies. Salesforce Lightning is a collection of tools and technologies to provide Salesforce Lightning is a collection of tools and technologies to provide significant upgrade to Salesforce platform technologies to provide significant upgrade. See that? The word upgrade is coming up from Visual Force. It is to Lightning. It's upgrading, right? Technologies to provide significant upgrade to Salesforce platform for better user experience, comma, efficiency and reusability of a resource. Definition is there on the screen. Don't expect that this slide will be sent to you. Don't expect that I'll be copying and I'll be sharing this PPT with you. No, you will get a soft copy material, right? So please write down, right? Soft copy materials, right? So what is a Salesforce Lightning? It's a collection of tools and technology. It's not one tool, couple of tools comes together. Aura, Lightning Builder, Lightning App Builder, Lightning Canvas Builder, right? Flow Builder, Process Builder, all these collection of Lightning App, right? Lightning App Builder, Aura Builder, right? Component Builder, Application Builders, all these combined together. LDS, Lightning Design System, right? All these clubbed together is called Lightning. Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. For what? For improving the performance, for improving the user experience, improving the efficiency. It is improving the reusability of a resource. One resource which can be used again and again. We call them as Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements. Write down elements of Salesforce Lightning. Elements of Salesforce Lightning. Next, elements of Salesforce Lightning. There are 3 elements to Salesforce Lightning. Number 1, Lightning experience. Number 1, Lightning experience. Number 2, Lightning component framework. Lightning component framework. Second one, and the third one, Lightning design system. Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements: Lightning experience, Lightning component framework, and Lightning design system. Lightning design system. It has three elements. There are 3 elements of Salesforce Lightning: Lightning experience, Lightning component framework, and Lightning design system, SLDS. Write down first subheading called Lightning experience. What is a Lightning experience? What is a Lightning experience? The modern user interface. The modern user interface. The modern user interface through which a user interacts Salesforce. The modern user interface. The modern user interface through which a user interacts with Salesforce is called Lightning experience. What is a Lightning experience? Interview questions. Interview questions. These are all interview questions they can ask. Certification question. Lightning experience. Choose from the multiple. What is that? That's the reason I have given you a single line answer also. Right? UI part of SFDC Lightning. In the interview, in the certification, it will look like this. These choices: CSS library, open CSS design, Aura framework, UI part. Right? Out of this 4 choice, which one is Lightning experience? Your answer is UI part of. So what is a Lightning experience? A modern user interface, right? A modern user interface through which a user interacts with Salesforce is called Lightning experience. Full stop. UI part of Salesforce Lightning. UI part, single line. If somebody asks you what is a Lightning experience, just say one line. UI part of SFDC is called Lightning experience. UI part of SFDC Lightning is called Lightning experience. So whatever you are able to see the screens, right? Whenever you log in, you see the screen. This is called as Lightning experience, right? Lightning experience. Lightning experience. Next, Lightning component framework. Next, Lightning component framework. What is a Lightning component framework? Write down the definition. Right? Single page application concept. Single page application concept with reusable entity. Single page application concept with reusable entity. Single page application concept with reusable entity using and UI framework, using and UI framework, using and UI framework, using and UI framework is called Lightning Component Framework, is called Lightning Component Framework. Full stop, right? Development part of Lightning, development part of Lightning, development part of Lightning, development part of Lightning is called, right? Development part of Lightning is called Lightning Framework, right? Development part of Lightning. There are two in this, right? There are two frameworks, Aura framework and open source LWC framework. Lightning component framework has two subcomponents, Aura framework and open source framework, LWC bracket. So what is the Lightning component framework? It is nothing but, what is that? Single page, right? Single page application concept with a reusable entity, with a reusable entity, right? Using UI development framework, developing with UI framework, anything you can say, developing with UI framework. There are how many UI frameworks are there? In Lightning, there are two UI frameworks. One is Aura, one is open source. One is Aura, one is open source. At this moment, yes, right? At this moment, home, right? Whoever is logged in with the home, yes, right? Please use your name, guys, right? Don't use this A, B, C, home. I don't even know how to address a person, right? It's a humble request. On the top, you have a GoToMeeting drop-down box. Under the options, right, exactly the first two options, change, edit your email, name and email, right? Please log in with the proper names going forward. It's my humble request. I've been requesting again in every class. Don't log in with LG, right? I see that somebody log in with one A. Hi A, hi one. How does it look? Hi HP, right? So please log in with your proper names. It's a humble request to everyone. Okay, going forward. Right. Next, let's get into the subject. Next, right? The third, write down, Lightning Design System, LDS, Lightning Design System, Salesforce LDS, SLDS. What is an SLDS? Write down. What is an SLDS? Collection of open CSS and predefined design. Collection of open CSS and predefined design. Collection of open CSS and predefined design. Collection of open CSS and predefined designs is called Lightning Design System. Is called Lightning Design System. Is called Lightning Design System. Collection of open source CSS and predefined designs. All the designs that you see in the Lightning, backend, background colors, right? Component structure, style, right? You know, all the components are precisely put. All those are predefined design structures, which we'll be using in Lightning. These are called as, this library or the collection is called as what? Lightning Design System. This is called as Lightning Design System. Called as Lightning Design System. Called as Lightning Design System, LDS. Clear? Right? Next. Okay. Before we,
Rupam, are you going to
yes,
detail on around single page applications? What exactly does that mean? And all?
we'll come there. Wait, I'll show
Okay,
you practically rather than theoretical.
sure,
Right? Don't worry about
sure.
it. You can on subject, technology, syllabus. Don't worry about it. Leave everything on me. You can have a complete trust. The call is getting recorded. So leave that faith on me that I will not skip a topic. I will not jump a topic. 1 month I'll be teaching lightning. Your whole course is 1.5 month. You can understand, including LWC and everything. It'll go to 1.5 month to 2 months. You can understand that, right? Every day I can't have a chit chat with you, right? I have to teach subject. This much big syllabus I'll be teaching you. So don't worry about it. You're complete closing your eyes, right? You can trust. No institute, no other training program can offer you such in-depth lightning program that we'll be doing. Okay, now let's do the practical. Let's start from here. First of all, let's open an Salesforce developer account. For that, people already know because you have been doing in the development classes. But to those who don't know, or anyhow, I have to open a new account, right? So I go to Google, I type, right, DEVLOPE, Developer Force. Just type in Google called Developer Force. Go to the first link here called developer.salesforce.com. Developer.salesforce.com. You will come to the screen. Don't go to salesforce.com. Don't open 30 days trial account. No, don't open Trailblazer. I don't want any Trailblazer account to be open, right? No trails, no trails, no trail ahead. Directly, we will do a live environment, right? Trail ahead is a practice dummy environment, but we will do it in a right platform environment. So come to the screen, click on this green button called sign up. Everybody knows it. I don't need to repeat this step. You can see that. Get your own developer edition. Full featured Lightning platform for free. Lightning platform. I want a Lightning platform where I can do the development. I enter the name, right? Your email address, your job role, your company name, right? CA, CAP, CAPITL capital, info, solutions. Country, India, right? Postal code, give any number, 500. People knows this, right? My email, right? You would be the 96th batch, 96. Going forward, whenever you're interacting with me through my email address, I will give you my email address, right? If you're interacting with me, you will use 96. Hi, sir. This is Ravi from batch 96. Your LWC 96. 96. 96. Once again, I'm repeating. Rupam at the rate, right? LT 96.com. Rupam at the rate LT96. LT stand for lightning 96.com. Sign up. You will be the 96th batch, right? There we go. You're almost there. Now let me open my inbox, Gmail, right? I should be receiving a welcome email. I click on welcome email. Thanks for signing up with Salesforce. Verify your account. I click on verify, right? So please note down my login details because all the program will be in this environment. So you should be logging in. Password is CRM1234 hash. Password is CRM1234 hash. CRM1234 hash. Right? Which city was your first job? HOID. Hyderabad. Change password. Right? First step. Number one, to create a developer force account. A Lightning developer force account. To create a Lightning developer force account. This is the first look of your Salesforce Lightning experience. Welcome to lightning experience. See this word is used. Lightning experience. Lightning experience. What is a lightning experience? The user interface part of Salesforce Lightning is called lightning experience. The words are used, they are very precise. They are not just given you like this. So welcome to lightning experience. It doesn't say welcome to Salesforce Lightning. It doesn't say welcome to Salesforce Lightning technology. Welcome to lightning experience. And by the way, everyone, welcome to lightning experience. Okay, right. This is the first screen,
Yes,
right?
hello.
What do you see?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, in that password, everything is small letters or cap letters?
In the password, everything is in
Small letters?
small,
Yeah,
all
okay, okay,
small,
thank you. Okay.
right? Rupam @ lt96.com. That's the username. Rupam @ lt96.com is the username. I will type it, don't worry. I will type once again. I will type and I'll give you that complete details. Right now, first experience. Before you start Lightning, there are prerequisites. There are prerequisite. Number one, domain name. First thing, write down prerequisite or environment setup. Lightning environment setup. Lightning environment setup. Lightning environment setup. Lightning environment setup. Number one, domain name mandate. Number one, domain name mandate. Number two, namespace optional. Number two, namespace optional. Whenever you want to do a development of Lightning, you just cannot start doing development of Lightning. It will not work. It will not work. If you go to your setup developer console file, there you see Lightning components. If you create, it will not work. Two prerequisite environment setup. Number one, domain. How to create a domain? Scroll down under settings. Under settings, those who are taking the notes, they can take the notes. Domain creation. Setup, settings, company setting. Setup, setting, company setting. My domain. Under company setting, you have an option called as my domain. You have an option called as my domain. We are creating the Lightning development environment, right? Framework. We are now what we are doing. We are setting up the framework, right? Before we start using the framework, we need to do the setup, environment setup. So under settings, under company settings, my domain. You can go ahead and you can see choose your domain. I will say LT96. Check availability. Check availability. LT96 system is now checking available. It says in green available. LT96. In real time, it will not be LT96. It would be the company. Infosys-dev-ed.my.salesforce.com. If you're working for HCL, you might have HCL Technologies -dev-ed.my.salesforce.com. This is a domain. A domain is required. Domain is nothing but a web address, a website. A website is required, right? We don't have a website. We can't go to godaddy.com. We can't register by paying 99,999 rupees every month or something. No, that is the reason we are having a free domain. I say register the domain, right? I click on register the domain. Type a name, check. You can put your name, right? Whatever you want to put, whichever name you want to put. Rupam-dev-ed.mysalesforce.com. Now you can see that registering your domain. Choose the name, done. Domain registration pending. After the domain registration is done, it will be ready for testing. Once the domain registration testing is done, we'll be deploying it. So the first step, what is the first step? Right? Setting up a domain. How to do that? You have to go to your setup. Those who don't know how to go to setup, the third icon from the top right hand. First, second, first one is avatar, avatar. Second one is your notification, which is a bell. Third one is a setup. Click on setup, click on setup. Once again, I'm showing you the path, right? If you scroll down, company under settings, company settings. Under that, you have what? My domain. Click on my domain, right? Now we have already, see, your domain name, right? Your domain name. Your domain name is ready. Login to test. Pending was done, it is now ready. Now domain white. Domain is ready. Our domain is ready, right? Let's click on login. By the way, what is the difference, Rupam? On the top, you can see that I have logged to AP17 server. On the address bar, where you type www.facebook.com, there you can see that I am at this moment logged into which server? Asia Pacific 17, AP17 server. This is a Salesforce server name, AP17. Few people might have, if you are working already in my development classes, you are in AP16. Those people who are from USA, they would be seeing NA, NA1, NA5, NA21, NA, North, right? North America, North America 1, North America 2, they will see such type of server. Those who are logging in from European countries, Germany, UK, they would be able to see EU1, EU2 in the address bar. Because I have selected country equals to India, right? All my Salesforce environment is created in AP17 server. This link is going to change now. As soon as I click on login, this AP17 will change to what? LT96. This would be my login. This would be my website going forward. Official website where I will log in, I will do the development. Currently, I am on the Salesforce 17 server. Salesforce17.lightning.force.com. You're in the Lightning platform. We will change it. We will go to here. So I click on login. I click on login, right? It'll ask me, do you want to register the mobile number? No, I don't want to register the mobile number. Automatically, the link changes on the top. It's no more showing you AP17. It's no more showing you AP17. It's no more showing you AP17. It's showing you what? It's showing you what? LT96. Whenever you are able to see LT96, remember that your environment is ready. Now, this environment has to be available to everyone. I will say third step. First one, register. Second, login. After the registration is done, you have to log in. Third step, deploy to the user. Roll out the new domain to your org. Third step, I click on deploy to the user. I'm in the same location. Once again, I'm on the same location, guys. I'm within the same my domain only, right? I say deploy to the user. When you deploy the new domain, we activate it immediately. Nobody can disable it. Only your Salesforce customer care can disable it. Okay, no problem. Okay. This has now been deployed to all users. So that my white box is now showing here. Domain deployed to all users. Domain. Your first step is done. Your first step is done. This is my domain. This is my domain. First step is done. This is my domain. My first step is done. My environment is ready. Second step called namespace, which is an optional. Second step, which is called namespace, is an optional. Second step is a namespace, which is optional. We will talk about namespace later because it's an optional, right? We will talk about namespace, the way you use system.debug. People, most of you might have used system. What is a system? System is a namespace. System.debug. Namespace. System is a namespace, right? Collection of programs, collection of libraries, namespace. I can create a Rupam, a namespace. Rupam dot. The way every time you write system.debug, right? Can't you write debug only? Why are you writing system.debug, right? So system.debug, right? System is a namespace. Similarly, you can create your own namespace. Optional. Don't create. I'm not showing you now how to create it because if you create, you'll be in a trouble. Every programming you have to do the namespace dot Rupam dot like this every time you have to add a namespace. So namespace is optional. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Now, right? My environment is ready. There are two things in the environment: domain and namespace. Domain is compulsory. Namespace is optional. How to start the development? How to start the development? Click on setup, click on developer console. There are multiple locations from where you can create a lightning component, or you can start doing lightning development. The first easiest way is your developer console. How I've come to developer console? Setup. I've clicked on setup. I've clicked on the last option called as developer console. Developer console opens up. There are multiple ways of creating a lightning components. Lightning development can be done from multiple places, multiple tools. Number one, the first tool is what? Developer console. Second tool is called Microsoft Visual Code. Microsoft Visual Code. You can see that. These are all LWC classes, right? All LWC, LWC, LWC. Right? From here also you can do a programming. You have a dates also, 0205, 2nd of May, 3rd of May, right? 9th of May, 10th of May. Today is 11th, 10:05. Yesterday class, right? You can do the development from another tool called as what? Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Those who are taking notes, tools. Tools for lightning development. Number one, tools for lightning development. Number one, what is the first tool? The first tool, right, for lightning development is developer console. Second tool, right? Second tool, Visual Studio Code. Second tool, Visual Studio Code, right? There are two tools currently through which you can create or you can start doing your lightning development. We will come to the second tool later, Visual Code. I will come there. Now let's go to the developer console, which most of you knows it. Most of you knows it. Whenever I click on file, I click on new, I am able to see lightning application, lightning component, lightning interface, lightning event, lightning token. We will talk about all these. Lightning application, lightning component, lightning interface, lightning event, lightning token, right? These are the 5 elements of lightning development available. Write down. Lightning framework elements. Next topic, subheading, lightning development framework elements. Lightning framework development elements, whatever you write. Lightning framework development elements. How many elements are there? Number one, Lightning application. Number two, Lightning component. Number three, Lightning interface. Number four, Lightning event. Number five, Lightning token. There are 5 elements available. Lightning development framework, bracket Aura framework. Aura framework has 5 elements. 5 elements. Lightning application, Lightning component, Lightning interface, Lightning event, Lightning token. Right? Now, what have we learned today? Today, we have learned from the subject perspective, what is a lightning? Definition, a quick review, what we have learned today. Lightning definition. What is a lightning definition? What is a Salesforce Lightning? It's a collection of tools and technology. It's a collection of tools and technology to provide significant upgrade to Lightning platform, to Salesforce platform for better user experience, efficiency, and reusability of a component is called Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements: Lightning experience, Lightning component framework, Lightning design system. What is a Lightning experience? The UI part. The UI part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning experience. What is Lightning component framework? Single application concept. Developing using a framework. Single application concept with reusability component developed using a UI framework is called Lightning, right? Lightning framework, Lightning component framework. There are 2 types of framework available: Aura framework, LWC framework, right? And the last one, what is the last one? LDS. What is an LDS? What is an LDS? LDS is nothing but it is a collection of open source CSS and and predefined designs. It's a collection of predefined designs. Then we have seen the environment setup. There are two things which is required. Environment setup, there are two major concepts. Number one, domain, which is mandate. Number two, namespace. We have seen how to activate a domain today, right? We have seen how to activate a domain. Then we want to start our development. For that, we should know what are the components or what are the elements available in development. There are 5 elements available in Lightning development. What are those? Application, component, interface, event, and token. Application, then second one component, third one interface, fourth one event, 5 one token. What are these? We will see. Just as of today, this is what we have learned. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Guys, able to understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone, today's class, basic
Yeah, yes,
first
yes.
class. Tomorrow's class, we will be on development. We will start creating Lightning development, right? Today's class, theoretical. Tomorrow's class, completely practical. Practical and theoretical, we will see. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Any
Hello.
questions, guys? Yes, tell me.
Yes. I have a quick question.
Mhm.
So in our instance, my server, we are having AP, NA, and EU.
Right.
Okay. So when I'm checking status.salesforce.com, so
We
CS
have
is
so
nothing
many
but
other servers. We have the
sandbox.
sandbox server. There are so
Yeah.
many other servers.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about DB, sir?
Those we
DB
will,
means what?
those all is a part of your regular classes,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay. Done. Yeah.
We will discuss in the regular class, right?
Okay.
Not here. right? It is just that I was showing you what is a domain. Actually, I shouldn't get into that discussion, right? CS, DB, there are so many bold servers are there, right? EU, different types of servers available. Which servers contains what? All those are your trainer should be covering in your development classes, right?
Okay.
In your regular classes, your trainer should be covering. Please ask your trainer,
Yeah, sure.
right? Anything else? For now, you just need to remember that those are servers. All the production servers are NA, EU, and AP. These three are production servers. All development servers start with CS, sandbox. All development servers, that's it. You need to know this, right? Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Any other questions? No? Good enough? Anybody has any questions? Last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'll keep it for question round. If anybody can ask a question. Guys, you're able to understand everyone? Yes?
Yeah.
Anyone who feels that no, I'm not able to understand, don't
Yeah,
worry.
no, sir.
If
No
you
doubts.
right, if you're able to understand 50%, 50%, okay, sir, little bit idea, I got it. Fine, you are very good. I'm not expecting 100% understanding today. If you're able to understand 50%, you're able to catch those words: lightning experience, lightning development framework or lightning component framework, lightning LDS, lightning design system. These are the three elements of lightning. What is a lightning definition, right? Environment too. Some top level basic things, if you're able to understand, then you're well and fine,
Rupam, just one
right?
quick question.
Yes, tell me.
The one which we use in the regular classes, we have another account created already where we've been practicing all the sessions.
Oh, you can use
So,
that.
okay.
You can
But
use
that
it.
is different from this post.com which you have created today. So is that
It's
specifically
the
that we
same.
have to?
No. It's the same one. Currently, if you have created a developer account, just start from the second step called as environment setup. Go ahead and
Sure.
register a domain. Start from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anything else, guys?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, would you provide any real-time project to put in our resume?
No, I don't have. I have not opened a state bank of project. Right. I don't have a Reserve Bank of project, Reserve Bank of India of project, because everybody would be a different experience. In this class, you can see that there are almost 60 students are there. Do you feel that all the 60 will put the same experience from the same company? No. All the 60 of the students will put a different. Somebody will say ABC technology, somebody will say that I work for MNOP technology, somebody will say that I work for XYZ technology. How can the project be same? If I give you one project and if you all put the same project in your resume, will you not get caught? Do you think that I have 60 projects? That means individually I have to give 60 projects, one person, one project. Every batch consists of 60 for me. You are the 96th batch. I don't have a reserve bank of projects where I can start giving you projects just left and right. No. Any resume based placing projects you have to find by yourself. Right? Please do not expect that. Because everybody will, I can give you can put it. But if you tomorrow, if you put that project, somebody else put the project, both the resume comes to me, and I see that one person is saying that he worked for ABC, another person is saying he is working for XYZ, but both the projects are same. Will you not get caught then? Both are fake then. So please, all the projects, I will give you project stories, project requirements from the real time. Real time projects requirements I'll give you. I will not give you a project to place on the resume. Right? Any question? Anybody has any questions. See, I'm a person who will be very straightforward. There's nothing called lying. Whatever is reality, you all are, nobody is, right, minor here. Nobody is less than 18 years. Everybody is a major here, right? So please do not expect, right? Don't, one minute. Don't be a cat. Don't be, wait, unmute. I'm muting it. Wait. Don't be a cat. Don't be a pilly, closing eyes, drinking milk, and thinking that nobody is watching you. Grow up, see the real environment around you. Realistic, be realistic, right? Somebody might ask me, sir, will you give the job as job program, guarantee program? I see that people asking this question. Tell me, guys, right? Just paying a fee of 10,000 rupees. Who will give you a job guarantee program in this world? Why are you expecting this type of wrong expectations, right? Just think from yourself. 10,000 rupees కి మీకు ఎవరైనా జాబ్ గ్యారంటీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇస్తారా? ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడగటం ఏంది, మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయటం ఏంది? బి రియలిస్టిక్, బి ఓపెన్, రైట్? ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ, పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్ who will be thinking, right, do you give a guarantee? They ask this type of questions in the class. I've heard lot, right? I will give you knowledge. I will give you the knowledge. That guarantee I will give you, right? In my class, knowledge is guarantee. After my class, if you go to an interview, if you are not able to crack an interview, then either it's your fault or it's my fault. As a trainee, you didn't work hard, or as a trainer, I didn't teach you well. There can be only two mistakes if you are not able to clear the interview. That's it. Sir, in the interview, they are asking real-time question. Whose duty is to teach the real-time question then? Trainer. If you fail an interview, why did you fail an interview? There should be only two reasons. Either the trainer is a waste fellow or you are a waste fellow. That's it, right? I will make sure that from my side, I give you the complete knowledge. You have to work hard. That is the reason that in my development class also, I will keep on requesting everyone, do the homeworks, please. Because in the same thing I'm repeating here, going forward, tomorrow onwards, I'll be giving you homeworks. Please, your trainer is requesting, please do the homeworks, right? It is for your own goodness, for your own goodness, for your own things. This increases your confidence. In an interview, automatically you will be able to perform well if you do all the homeworks that I give you in my class. If you're able to do, automatically you will get a strength in yourself. You can feel that confidence, right? So please start doing the homeworks, start following the guidance. That's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow, same time, same link. Be on time. Have a nice and wonderful day, because I have a back-to-back batch. Those who are logging in for my development classes, please log in with the development link. Thank you, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys. Yes, Suresh, you need not to create one more account. If you already have a developer account, just go ahead and create the domain. That's exactly what I told few minutes back to another lady, right? The same thing even she asked, the same answer. You need not to, you repeat from the second step, create your domain, right?
Ru-
Thanks.
Rupam,
Yes, tell me.
can you put any domain for resume projects, like
Any?
healthcare domain or any domains, like
Yeah.
healthcare domain,
Yes,
finance
you
domain,
can put any
e-commerce
domain.
domain?
Any domain you can put.
It is supporting any domain.
Right? I will not support any particular domain, right? I will take somewhere based on, travel, transportation industry or healthcare industry. For the real-time classes, I'll be taking healthcare industry as well as airline industry, or pricing in that, any pricing project I'll be taking.
Okay. My
Okay.
question is it supporting to e-commerce applications?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Whole
Okay.
your
Thank you,
lighting
Rupam.
supports e-commerce. Okay. We will see that.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you, Rupam.
guys. Bye-bye.
Yeah.